Cars and trucks will soon be on these connector bridges at Otay Mesa. But today it was federal, state, and local dignitaries and a big red ribbon. Connector bridges linking 3 state routes are now complete. The southbound 125 is now linked to the eastbound 905 and eastbound 11. Having these freeway connectors means car and truck traffic that has had to travel on surface streets in the area won't have to anymore.
This is an investment. And if you don't invest, if the government doesn't invest in something like this, the reality is that the economy doesn't get better.
An investment that will help people on both sides of the border.
This highway unleashes the potential for economic growth, not only of San Diego and Otay, but for Tijuana, Tecate, Mexicali, and the whole border region in Baja California.
The infrastructure aspect of this project is critical. It will relieve what has been a major bottleneck of cross-border travel. But Congresswoman Sarah Jacobs says it's much more than that.
This is about bringing our communities together and about what we can do when we, as governments, work together and actually deliver for people's daily needs.
Of the many benefits of this project, arguably the biggest one for folks who will use it regularly is the fact that it's slated to cut wait times by 50%. Traffic will start flowing across the new bridges tomorrow. This project is the latest move forward in a 20-year effort to build a new port of entry at Otay Mesa. That's scheduled to be complete by late 2024. John Carroll, KPBS News.